this video, I'm going to show you how to use the new AI music generator feature. This allows you to use AI to generate some music. In particular, if you wanted to use it for background music, then this is the perfect way to do it. The first thing you need to do is create a new project. So let's create a new project here. Then you've got to go in the audio section. You see here AI music. Then you've got to click on start here. And you've got several options. So you've got different moods. So if you're after a particular AI music that is mood that is happy, sad, exciting, chill, epic, peaceful, hopeful, emotional, then you pick one of those and then the AI will start generating some music based on that mood. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go with a chill mood. You can specify how long you want the music to go for. I would say you pick 5 minutes. Otherwise, if it's too short, then you'll need to loop it. So 5 minutes is a good length. Then you've got the option here to how many of the music clips it will generate. So I'm going to generate 6 clips and it will use 30 AI credits. So you've got several AI credits. You can click on this button and then you can see refresh it, and you've also be able to click on this button here and it will show you in terms of the pricing and so forth how much it will cost. So let me show you how much it currently costs. So there are different packs. You've got the 1,000, the 5,000 or the 10,000 credit packs, and these are the prices. It's not a per monthly cost, it's just per credit cost. So once you use it up, then you need to refill your credit pack. Now if you're on a particular plan, then there will be some credits that are available to you based on your plan, and you can use it for these types of AI features. As you can see here, you can pretty much use for 1,000 credits, you can use for the text to speech around 10,000 words, and for the AI music 30, you can use it 33 times. So basically each time you generate the music, it's 30 credits. If you've got the usage here, you might want to read it, and you'll see the validity period of how long it will last. Most of the time it's a permanent one, so if you buy 10,000 credits, you'll be able to use and keep those 10,000 credits until it's being used. In terms of the consumption rules, as you saw before, the AI music is 30 credits per time. That's why I suggested to create 6 in that one time, so you get 6 clips. And so those are the different options available. So let's go back and just generate some music and see what the results are. Okay, now back here, let's click on start. Just let it run, let it do its thing, and then you see the 6 clips. We'll generate the 6 clips. And then I'll play them back to you. So I'm just gonna fast forward this. There you go, there's already 1 clip, and I'll fast forward this and I'll share what the audio clips that the AI generated. Okay, so once it's generated the 6 clips, you gotta make sure that you save it. And it's got here non-commercial use. Non-commercial use. Non-commercial use. Let's see what that means when it's non-commercial use. It's allowed to be used for website, videos, audio, blogging, webcasting. Can't be used for any commercial properties such as commercial performances, ads, promotions, built-in products, second-hand sales of any ports. Audio shall not be used for any media transmission other than streaming, may not distribute, lease, rent, or distribute. Okay, so it looks like it's all good for YouTube video. Okay, now got to make sure that it's downloaded. So in order to download it so that it's in your generated folder, click on the button here to download. So I'm just going to download all of them. Because if you don't do this, and if you close the window, you basically remove all these and you will not save them. So that looks like it's been added. So let's have a look here. Under generated, those are all the clips now. So these are the ones that were generated, and all you do is just add it to the timeline. So you just drag and drop. So let me just get some stock media, and let's just add it in and create just a quick video. I'll just say if you had this digital background, let's download that. Let's add it to the timeline and let's see how this looks. Yep, pretty dramatic. You can also set this, I like to use this auto normalize feature so that it adjusts the audio. So as you can see, it's just lowered it a little bit, so it sounds a bit normalized. So yeah, that looks great. Let me see if I add this. Okay, here we go, let's have a look. Yeah, it's pretty dramatic. Let's replace it with another AI generated clip. So we'll mute this one. Let's mute that. And I like to once again auto normalize this. And how does it look? Yeah, this is all pretty good as well. Yeah, that's not bad. So there you go. So this is how you generate AI music. If this video helped in any way, please give a like and subscribe to the channel.